everyone, how are you? So I'm Victoria Turner. I'm just going to share a booking tip with you guys that worked for me and worked amazing. So I got 4 bookings from it, and all of those bookings grew massive legs and kind of took on a life of their own. And yeah, it's really snowballed. And actually, I think this is what I got most of the end part of my halo of my bookings from for the year. So all from this one post. So sorry, please also excuse the fact that I've got no makeup on. I've just come back from the gym and I'm outside because my baby is sleeping. So what I did was I put a post up on Facebook. Now you could use whatever you want. I used Zen. I thought it was a really nice, sorry, I've just got it all twisted and catching my thing. Anyway, you know what it looks like. So I used the Zen necklace. I think it's a really nice price point, $50, and then it's 25 half price, and then I'm just going to hold that, and then minus your commission as well. So it's not a big expenditure, or you could stick it on your Rich Rewards as well. So I put a post up, a little collage with 4 photos, and I said I've got 4 of these to give away. Who wants one? Drop an emoji below, and a whole heap of people were like, putting a little emoji down there. And what I then did was I inboxed them and said, hey, I would love to give you this necklace. If you host a party for me, it is all yours, regardless of if you get any sales or not. So, I mean, you are taking a little bit of a gamble, but like I said, it's not a huge price point to really worry about that. And I made that much money. So it's not even just that one party, it's the bookings you get from those parties and so on. It really did snowball. And that, I mean, these girls have like bought raffle tickets and, introduced me to their friends, and bought in flash sales, and lots and lots and lots of business came from this one post. So I do recommend trying it out if you're brave, and that's all it is. It was for Facebook parties. I'm a FIFO wife, so I can't always get out to do home parties. So I find that with Facebook parties, I kind of need a little incentive to get them on board. And it's a great attraction post, because the more people that comment on it, the more other people are going to comment on it. So I'll just, hey everybody, sorry, I wasn't reading any comments. All right, cool. If anyone's got any questions, drop them below. Nice and short and sweet. But yeah, it definitely worked for me, so I recommend giving it a try. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.